Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Then scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system and click on About Phone. Scroll down to the very bottom again and find the build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now. Let's get back, and as you can see here we've got our developer options, so let's click on it, and here as you can see we've got the full list of advanced options which you can customize. For example, you can set stay awake, it will so the screen will never sleep while charging, or simply set automatic system updates if you want. In order to turn off the developer options, simply click on the switcher right here. Let's get back. And as you can see, they simply disappeared. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.